Okay, so to keep with the Japanese tradition of the deep clean, we decided to make a game of it.
So our first one is like washing the dishes. So this guy's washing the dishes. Then there's washing the shower and stuff. We've got doing the laundry, etc. So cleaning the outside on the balcony, doing the garbage, or vacuuming. So if you pull one you don't like, you can just swap it out.
Okay, so we're going to do a freestyle workout, see how many calories we can burn doing this. Okay, so it's 123 right now. Okay, so
I'm gonna pull a card and see
Pull a
which one we're
card.
doing. Pull this one. Oh, I'm cleaning the bathroom.
oh, I'm doing the laundry. Okay,
Bathroom.
laundry.
Let's go.
Okay, I pulled the laundry card, so it means I need to do all the washing. That starts with the bedding. How's it going in there?
Okay.
See, you're the perfect man for the job.
See, it just opens.
Oh shit.
I didn't know that.
Okay, time to go do the laundry. Got the coins. Got the washing. Let's brace the cold. Okay, 34 minutes. Okay, so far we've been busy for an hour and 27 minutes. It's been a busy morning, or afternoon, to clean the balcony. It's freezing out here. Okay, let's start. Don't have a broom, so this will have to do.
Gonna clean up the cupboard. You can see it's a bit messy. With different items in different boxes. Clean this whole thing out.
Time to clean the windows. There we go. Spotless glass. Okay, we're 2 hours in. How many calories have you burnt?
I burned all the calories. I burned 1,400 calories.
What? I've only burned 900.
Yeah, work harder.
Work harder. Let's have a look. Laundry, done. Vacuuming, not done. Recycling rubbish, done. Balcony, done. Dishes, not done yet. Laundry, done. Well done. We've finished, my love.
Yep.
Yay! Look
pretty
at this tiny room. We have a makeshift sofa.
Everything is nice.
The room is clean. Windows clean. The walls, ceiling, curtains, bedding washed. Tables, drawers are clean. Kitchen spotless. Bathroom perfect. Everything is clean. Oh, well,
Dusty.
well spotted.
We know what it is. Lots of dust. Done.
Now we are done, right?
We're done.
Are we officially done?
Done, done.
Done, done. Well done.
Okay, how many calories you get? Ooh.
Boom.
Okay, all done.
Finished. Oh my god. How many? Okay. 2 hours.
1,800 calories.
I did 1,254.
Shh, not the calories.
Yeah.
Yeah, but everything is nice and clean. It's for dessert.
It's our reward for cleaning this house
For dessert.
before the sun Sun will set in 20 minutes. This is our treat.
Cheap cake thing.
Treat for cleaning the house. Now we can build a house.
Oh, there you go, chocolates.
Ooh! Chocolate.
Chocolates. Chemicals. Where's instructions? Oh, yeah.